name is Saanya. I'm an incoming sophomore at James Logan High School, and my project is the Third Eye for the Blind. So this project's mission is basically to help the visually impaired get a sense of what's in front of them. And so it's a sensor that will be able to detect the distance of something that is in front of it. And it will respond to how close or far the object is. I'm interested in doing this project because I'm interested in bioengineering and I really love helping people, and I feel like this project would really help the visually impaired progress and be able to gain a sense of what's in front of them. So my first milestone was completely breadboarding my project and being able to fully code it. So as you can see, this is my breadboard. So this is the ultrasonic sensor that senses when something is closer or farther from it. And then there are three outputs to this response. So there's the LED, which flashes faster or slower depending on how close or far the object is. There's the buzzer, which makes like a clicking sound faster or slower depending on how far the object is. And then there's the vibration, which is the haptic sensor. So this vibrates faster or slower depending on the distance of the object. On my board, I also have the Arduino connected to all the cables that connect each part. So this is my current code that the program is running on, and this functions the buzzer, the LED, and the vibration. Now I'm going to show you an example of what the program looks like when it's running. Okay, I'm going to start by showing you the buzzer. So as you can see, this is just resting, but when something comes close to the sensor, you can see the light is flashing fast, and the buzzer is kind of hard to hear, but it's going really fast. And then as I move it, it'll slow down both the flashing and the buzzer. And then the other aspect of it is the vibration. So I'm just going to keep it on the table so you can hear how fast it's going. Some problems I had to face was the wiring. So I was really confused on the Arduino because I wasn't sure like what pin was what, and so I spent like 30 minutes trying to figure out like what was wrong with it, and like I kept running my program and it wasn't fixing. And then I realized that all my cables were wrong, and I just kept troubleshooting, and then I ended up fixing the problem. Another issue I ran into was I did not have the right cable to connect this wire to my Arduino to connect it to my laptop, because my laptop doesn't have the correct USB port. So I had to wait a few days to get that USB port, and once I ended up getting it, I ended up figuring it all out, and it all worked out. For my next steps, I plan to get a person sensor and attach it to this board, so it'll not only be able to have this aspect of it, it'll also be able to identify whether the object is a person or if it's something else. Thank you.